Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be styling some dolls hair. So what we're gonna do a crimp hairstyle on one of my dolls, and today my doll is Clawdeen Wolf. So as you guys may not know, if you don't know, she has polypropylene hair, which means one, most collectors stay away from that hair because it tends to get frizzy, and two, polypropylene hair takes heat very well, which is why she has these luscious curls. Because I had put some rollers in her hair and hot boil rinsed it and let it dry for like 2 days. But we're gonna do something different to her hair. We're gonna give her some like waves, crimps in her hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we're gonna do is take her hair down. So we took her hair down and I kind of strapped her down with a hair tie that I use for my hair, like a headband. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a section of her hair like this, and you can see her curls are still there, but we're gonna take sections of her hair and braid it down. Okay guys, so I had to do the braid off camera because she just kept falling. So pretty much I'm just doing a braid, and I love how the mix of colors look in the braids. So with the style, I think I'm gonna braid her whole entire head, but I'm gonna give her one nice big braid going across the front just to style her hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding her hair, and then I'll show you guys how it looks once it's all braided. All right, so her hair is all braided. So as you can see, I gave her this one big braid in the front because I want it as a decoration while her hair is crimped in the back. So let me show you a 360 of her hair braided. So this is the back, and it's all braided down. I'm gonna put black rubber bands on top of these clear ones, but I just wanted to put clear ones because that was in my reach at the moment. So let me go ahead and put some black ones at the bottom. Let's go ahead and give her a boil rinse. So just a quick tip before you go to hot boil rinse, make sure you got a towel handy to damp your doll's hair because it's gonna get wet. So I want to show you one more time her, but now she has black rubber bands on the bottom on top of the clear rubber bands, because the clear rubber bands, they pop in the hot water, but the black ones, they tend to not pop. Not saying they're not going to pop, but they're less likely to. So let's go ahead and hot boil rinse her hair. So we got our water boiling right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the doll and just dip her really quick in the water and then take her out. Now I'm gonna do it one more time and then take her out, and she should be okay. Okay, so now we got Clawdeen out of the water. I have the towel around her hair because I like to have the towel to sit there to grab the water that's gonna be coming out of her hair just for like the first 30 minutes. So when I do sit her in the dollhouse, she's not leaking everywhere, getting the floors all messed up. So I'm just gonna let her sit. Actually, I'm gonna let her sit overnight, and then we're gonna let the braids loose in the morning, because honestly, from my experience, the longer the braids are in the hair, the crimps last in the doll's hair. That's just my personal opinion. And also, I hope you guys tried this. Let me know if you guys tried this on one of your dolls that have polypropylene hair and how it comes out. And if you guys want to see more styles with polypropylene, because I style a lot of dolls that have polypropylene hair. So if you guys want to see more dedicated videos to this, just let me know in the comments down below. So we'll see you guys in the morning once her hair is completely dry. Alright guys, so it's the next day and Clawdeen's hair is officially dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her braids down and show you guys what it looks like with the braids taken out before I fluff it. Alright guys, so this is how Clawdeen's hair came out. I really love it. Let me show you guys the back part of her hair is nice and crimp, and I love how the colors are mixing in with each other, and I think it's super cute. And I highly recommend you guys try to style on your dolls with polypropylene hair if you want a cute style and to reduce frizz. Also, if you're curious about her outfit, she's wearing a rainbow high set. She's wearing Marissa Golding's sweatsuit, compatible with some rainbow high clothes. If you're curious, they're very compatible with LOL OMG dolls. They're very compatible with their clothes because I put their clothes on them and it fits perfect. So don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.